Hey everyone, today we're doing ribs, pork ribs, back and side. All right, so right here, that's a side rib. This is baby back. There is a difference. Now with the side, all we're gonna do here is clean it up, square it off, so these little tag ends don't burn. And we're just gonna make it all purty. Cut these chunks of fat off that are just hanging there. Squaring it off like that, those little pieces are just gonna burn anyway, and it's just presentation. Now you keep if you're cutting any of the meat off, you can keep that, grind it up, and use it in something else. Now this here is a silver skin. You're gonna wanna remove that. An easy way to do that is to grab a towel. Just allows you to grip it a little better. See? Now there's this bone here, you can choose to remove that if you want. I'm not gonna bother. Square this up. Now we're just gonna have a dry rub. Now I've got here this Meat Church Honey Hog Barbecue. We're just gonna Alright, now we're just going to simply add some salt and pepper and lay this in a hotel pan and cover it and put it in our fridge overnight. Alright, so we got our hotel pan. We're going to take this, lay it in there, we're going to cover it up, leave it in our fridge overnight, and then we're going to smoke this tomorrow using the 3-2-1 method. Simple rib prep. Alright, so this is the baby back. So what we're going to do first is just roll it up. And that loosens it off the bone a little bit. Go both ways. The meat will pull back easier. It's the same thing here. You're going to want to take the silver skin off. So get a grip like that. Gone. It's really quite simple. See that? Clean it up. Remove that. Get rid of it. A couple little tags on this guy that we're gonna take off a little bit. Throw it in the grinder. That looks okay. Alright, so this is ready for the seasoning. Now, some people use mustard as a binder. I don't bother, I just go salt, pepper, and then whatever rub I choose. And then we're gonna smoke this the same method with the 3-2-1 and keep an eye on it. So we'll do a video with that. This one is just strictly rib prep. All right, so we're gonna start with pepper. Salt. We're gonna grab a different rub this time. And this is Meat Church Days Nuts. See that? Now that one's done. Another hotel pan. Rib in and done. So yeah, rib prep is really quite simple. You just want to square it up and dust it up with some seasonings. You can put the mustard on if you'd like, but yeah, I choose not to. I just dry rub it and throw it in the fridge. Throwing in that fridge the extra night, it just allows the salsas and meat stuff to penetrate the meat, makes it that much better. So yeah, if you follow this method, you should be fine. The next step is actually throwing it on the grill, and that's really straightforward as well. We'll do a video tomorrow on that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you next time.